If you want to know how to CapCut blur quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blur effect in CapCut, adjust it, and control how much of your video gets blurred so you can hide details, create a soft focus look, or add a more professional finish to your edit. This is a simple but powerful technique, and once you learn it, you can use it for faces, backgrounds, text overlays, transitions, or any part of your video that needs to be softened. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure nothing is selected on your timeline. This is important because if you already have a clip or layer selected, you may end up applying the effect to the wrong item, or accidentally changing something you didn't mean to edit. So take a second to click away from everything, and make sure your timeline is clear. Once that's done, look for the effects option at the top or on the side of your editing workspace. Go into Video Effects because that's where CapCut keeps its visual effects like blur, glow, distortion, and other stylized edits. After you open Video Effects, use the search bar and type in blur. CapCut usually gives you a few different blur options depending on the version you're using, so choose the one that best fits your video. Once you find the blur effect you want, click or tap it to apply it to your video track. At this point, the blur effect should appear on your timeline as its own layer or effect bar. Now comes the part that gives you control over where the blur shows up. Drag the edges of the blur effect bar to cover only the section of the video that you want blurred. If you want the blur to happen for just a few seconds, shorten the effect. If you want it to last longer, extend it across more of the timeline. This is really useful if you only want to blur certain moments instead of your entire video. For example, you might blur out sensitive information, a background detail, or something in the scene you want to keep private. After that, tap or click on the blur effect again to open the settings and adjust the intensity. This is where you can make the blur stronger for full privacy, or lighter for a softer cinematic look. If the blur is too weak, increase the intensity until it clearly hides what you need. If it's too strong, lower it so the viewer can still understand the scene without the effect feeling distracting. Take your time here, because a small adjustment can make a big difference in how polished your final edit looks. It's always a good idea to preview the section after adjusting the blur. Play it back a few times, and check that the blur starts and ends exactly where you want it to. If needed, go back and move the effect edges slightly until it lines up perfectly with a moment in your video. That extra step helps keep your edit smooth and professional. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to CapCut blur, how to place the effect on your timeline, how to stretch it across the right section, and how to fine-tune the intensity for the exact look you want. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.